Hello there. Oops, bring my back over here. Hello and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick video, basically how to get the metadata using Gemini API, Gemini itself, and we can manipulate pictures. So I've just got to show you all these images here. All these are on one of my databases in the school community. But you can take an image and let's just, in fact, we need to go to Gemini first. So we've got all these images and we might want to manipulate it. I mean, we could take that image there. So a quick look. And simply turn her into something else, give her brown hair, a green coat, put her anywhere we want, and we just change the metadata. So we're going to look into doing that now. Quickly, first thing we need to do then is go to Gemini. So, come out there. You just got Gemini, click Gemini, and that'll take you to the Gemini page. You can use this on a free account or a paid account. So first thing we need to do is get an image up there. So we'll go to our folder. And we can just get an image. Let's put the dinosaur one in. So we'll wait for that to upload. And then we're simply just going to get the image and extract the metadata by simply converting it into a JSON. So we just come over here, put in there, extract the metadata of this image and convert it into a JSON. And we simply press submit. And now it's analysing the JSON, and you get a nice JSON format here with all the information that is available to it. So that's very good. Now what you can do with this is just take this, copy that. You could just take it and go to Flow and just paste the JSON in there, and you will get an image pretty much like we've just done. And there's the image it created. In fact, it's such a better image. Obviously, that was an older image, probably on a different LLM or picture generator. So let's just look at the other image we just first had. So it's got some dinosaurs, not the greatest of images in all honesty. But now look what it just created. But that's not the point of doing that. We want to be able to manipulate it. So let me just download this picture and manipulate this, see what metadata that comes back with. So we'll go back in here, go back there, in here, upload, downloads. That's not the download folder I need. Now let's do it again and see what, oops, no. We don't want that. Oops, what's happening? Delete that. We want to just do the, again, let's see what metadata this one comes out with. So it might be slightly different, but I imagine it'll be very similar. Because obviously that's an updated picture, so it's a JPEG. So it's changed the format, basically give us everything we need. Now, what if we want to manipulate the picture? Well, we can do that simply by using a different prompt and the picture and the JSON even. So we'll copy this JSON. So we'll just get the picture, this new picture, and we'll upload it again. But this time, sorry. So we'll put this in now, we'll just modify the image, and then what we need is a code block. And we just simply, oops, balls. Okay, we're recording again. Sorry, I've just got a little glimpse. So to modify this one, we're just simply putting modify the image of the following instructions in this JSON. And then we just get the JSON file that we add, and we just put it in there. Now we can go down here and just modify anything we want. So it's got the dinosaurs in the managed park enclosure, foreclosed roaring display aggression, mid-ground, clear skies with light cloud cover. So we'll change that to just clear skies. So we're just making some get rid of the wooden. I've got 3D style, high detail video game, yeah. Bright sunlight, interface, light screenshot, promotional learning management, Jurassic Park, yeah. What else can we change? Well, we'll change a few things, we'll just generate it. It's only for showing you what you do. So the original one is this one here. And what did we change? We didn't have any wood, we went for metal, and we went for a clear sky, didn't we? So when it's done this image, it should come back with a clear sky with no clouds in it, and it probably changed the fence line a little bit. So as you can see now, from first image, it's got a clear sky. I think the fencing pretty much stayed the same because it was difficult to tell. But you can see what you can change. And you can do it with any image. And then you can just put the first prompt in, and it'll just generate it again. So any image you want. So if I want, let's go to my library again. Let's try it on a different one. Gemini's quite sensitive with images of people, aren't they? Let's go to this one here. We like this image, and we probably want to. Oops. So we've got that image. Let's just come out of here because we didn't. Nah, right. So we have to do it all again. Upload the image. In wrong folder. Let's just go to this one. Let's go to this one. Come out there. No. Just trying to get an image so we can. Let's just do that one. So again, what we want is the metadata of this JSON. Just copy it, extract the metadata. So we have the metadata. Put that image up again. Forgot which image it was. That one, isn't it? So then we just say modify the image following the instructions on this JSON. And then we just copy that JSON, put that in there. And now we've got alcohol in there, actually. Oh, it's got alcohol in the bottle. We can change it here to brunette. So somewhere down here, we can just change everything about this. Full screen, let's have a look. Bright yellow. Go for bright red. Open trunk, yeah. What colour has she got? Black, hoodie, yellow, portrait, image, yeah. A young one, we've got plump pink. I'll just give a pink hair. We'll just delete that. We'll give it pigtails. And now we just recreate that one. And she should come out with pink hair and a red car. And that is as simple as it is. I might have to edit this video down because I might speed it up, so you're not so bored. Half the battle's waiting for the image, isn't it? So now you can see it's the same person. The hair really hasn't changed that much, or it has. It's got a little bit pinker on it. Not by much though, but we've got the red car. I mean, you could change the cigarette. You could do whatever you want. You could have a stood up. What else was in this prompt here? So, I mean, then you can take the metadata from here. Or if we took this metadata here, just went to flow. I'm not sure if flow would allow us to make this, but we can try. Just put the metadata in and see what it comes out with. Because there's no image, it shouldn't worry, but it might come up with a restriction because it's Google and they're getting a bit funny. So this is what the image came out with. That's quite a realistic image, in all fairness. Probably a better image than we started with. So you're not really stealing anyone's product, you could just reinvent it and re-image it out. You can crop these out or delete them or use it on a paid service. So there you go, that's how you can just edit an image out. So perfect, just thought I'd have a quick video showing you that. Okay, I just thought I'd continue quickly, get this wall then on this video. You can also do it with videos, just to get the data out. I'll just show you quickly. All you do is change the metadata to video. So you've got your metadata there. So we just copy that, and we go to flow. Come out there. I'm only using flow because it's cheaper, because I've got a thing important onto video. Don't need to add any frames. Do it on light, paste, and let's see what this gives us.
Throwing this cash up to the Dubai sky. Yeah, we own the night. Hit the chrome, watch.
We've got a flow. This is what it recreated.
Hit the chrome, watch the smoke rise high. Throwing this cash up to the Dubai sky. Yeah, we own the night. Hit the chrome, watch the smoke rise high.
So you can see, you can just copy any video, take a video clip, make it your own, change it around. Again, with the metadata, you could just go back out of here. You could take the video and just adjust the metadata. And instead of putting image, just put video. So you could come down here and just change it. In fact, let's do that so we can see it in real time. I've put image there, I need to put video, so I'll just change that to video. Woman drifting in the chrome. The feed duration 7 seconds, resolution, what can we do? Just change it to wrap. In fact, we can just woman celebrating from the sunroof, drifting car, white blazer. And we could change that to red, can't we? Red. In fact, does it do video? I think it does, doesn't it? Can't remember if these do video. Also, you can just take it to flow and just change it round. Vehicle details. To highly polished red. So we'll just change that. If you make it a red car, you just generate it. Let's go back to Google. Let's see if this has done the video. So we've got some.
We're living the high life. Catch this. We're living the high life. Catch this.
Not too bad. Now, interestingly, that was done with the reference video. Let's see what it does with just the flow. Okay, let's see what happened here.
Hit the chrome, watch the smoke rise high. Throwing this cash up to the Dubai sky. Yeah, we own the night.
I'm pretty sure I changed the vehicle over, did it? Let's have a look. Woman drifted, chrome, yeah. Yeah, you just have to change that a little bit more and it'll just create a different video. You could put, I mean, you could just recreate this now. Get that, we'll go here. Remake the JSON and make the car a Porsche and red. And then we just put that in there. Okay, my error. I didn't take out the video out of it. I should have made a fresh change. I said make this differently. However, it's created a video. And we've asked for a red one and we've asked for a Porsche. Let's see what it gives us. Who knows? Okay, it's made an interesting video.
This is the life right here.
But as you can see, it's turned into a Porsche. And it's made it red.
Let's go.
And all we did was...
This is the life right here. Yeah. Yeah.
All we did was ask Gemini to swap it over. So if we look back, all we did, remake this JSON and make the car a Porsche and red. Obviously, when we did it, if we'd have put image in there saying rather than video, it would have made an image, and we could start on with an image. But if we go back to a new chat, can you change the JSON to a red car and send the new JSON, the new JSON out. Now that should update the JSON. And now we've got a woman drifting in a red luxury. So all we've done there is changed it. And if we want to, we could just come in here, copy it and edit these out a bit even more. So you basically could do anything with any image and any video. So you could take any video you want and just remaster it without much effort. So there's no excuses anymore. Perfect little tip for you. So we'll call that tip of the day or whatever. And if you want access to more information and more stuff, the school community's got free entry. You get some free NAN, some free stuff in there, which is always good. And I think you get access to the, I'm not sure if you get access to this actually. I mean, I'll just show you this quickly. This is my D drive. I've got an Airtable downloaded that's in the school community, and it just downloads any Airtable out there. If you want it and you've got access to the Airtable, you can just download it to any folder. And basically, it's got all this. And in here, let's just go to Video Engine. It's got access to all the images, and you can just recreate them. Nice little asset to have. Hope you enjoy the video. I'll do a bit of editing so you don't have to listen to how many hours and minutes I've just been droning on. But you get the idea. Happy editing.